Okay, hi guys. Today we're going to be popping my carrot squishy. Let's go. Okay guys, so we got all this air. I got a safety pin here because that's all we had. So, and that is it, guys. Now the bottom's good. We just have a little bit more air right here. So let's just get that popped. Okay, I'm gonna just pop that right here. Right there. Okay. It's a tiny hole. Guys. Oh my god. We just popped all that air. Okay, I'm only seeing one more hole left, so. Yeah. Okay, guys. We found one more air bubble. So we're gonna get that air bubble and we're gonna pop it one last time. So we have that air bubble right here. Okay. And we have got it, guys. That is it. It's a way better squishy now. So, bye guys. Okay guys, we just popped one little tiny more one, so, okay, and we have popped that one too, so, doesn't have anything, just a little glitter on it, but, oh, yeah. So we have popped all the air bubbles, guys. Goodbye.